Oh, the manliest man that I can think of?
The manliest man. The manliest man.
Jeez, I don't know.
The definition's changing so fast.
How about The Rock? Dwayne Johnson?
Oh, yeah.
He's pretty manly, I think.
Isn't everyone saying like The Rock these days?
Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson?
Dwayne Johnson.
He's really big.
Hunk of a man, I guess.
He's my man crush.
I like to think of somebody that can do a little of everything.
You know, I'm gonna go with Ryan Reynolds, actually.
Oh my God, Bruce Willis.
Hugh Jackman.
You know, he's Wolverine, he can sing and dance.
Maybe Brad Pitt?
Jason Momoa.
Clint Eastwood was my guy.
Leonardo DiCaprio, 100%. Nelson Mandela.
I think Justin Trudeau. Very empathetic towards all peoples.
I think a lot of people still think of Barack Obama.
Barack Obama.
Barack Obama.
Barack Obama.
He seems to be someone that embodies a lot of the traits that I think a man in 2018 can strive to be.
Very manly.
Commander Hatfield, the Canadian astronaut.
Bo Burnham, the comedian.
I think you can't get much more manly than playing David Bowie in space.
And Muhammad Ali.
My dad, and it might be like a very cliched response.
My father.
My father?
I think of my older brothers.
I don't know what a manly man is, and I don't know who gets to be the most manly man out there.
I don't really find anybody that manly, to be honest with you.
That's all I got.